Pain or gain? Was it worth it to open?
The dice has spoken. It's Supreme Darkness with 1 booster today. And we're still looking for chase cards. So let's see what we got here. Mitsurugi Great Purification. Double Wild. That's a new card. Halloween. That's the second. So let's see what else we have here. DD Pose. That brings us back to the DD Warrior Lady. A card originally released with the Dark Crisis display or complete series back in 2003. And if you have one of those old displays, you can actually sell them for about $1,000. So that's truly a gain. But let's see what we got here. We got a Ween, we got the Hallows, we got the complete Halloween cards in 1 booster, another 6-strike sextuple, and we have a
Pain.